Hi guys, today we are going to understand this part 2 for Dapper. Okay, so that will be our today class agenda. So in our previous recording session, we have seen how we can perform get operation with the help of Dapper. So might be you're thinking that we can only write the queries here. So not like that. Apart from writing the queries, even you can add here store procedure also. Okay. So today's session, we will try to complete get, insert, update, and delete operation in this particular video. Okay. So guys, let's start the things now. So I have in our SQL Server one database employee details which are using it, and here I'm having in a program ready folder one store procedure. So let me see. This is a store procedure. I have it. I can click on modify, and you can see this. This is a store procedure where we are trying to retrieve ID, name, and salary. Right. So it's mean that when I say FI, I should get all the data related to all these three things, right? So I'm going to use a store procedure instead of writing the queries because no one, as of now, writing queries, right? Everyone want to write a store procedure only. Now, one of the reason uh, I choose Dapper is because it is faster and also help me to perform transactions, and it is free from SQL injection attacks. Okay. So that's the reason we should go for a Dapper. Okay. Now, if you see this SP underscore employee, you have taken the store procedure, and then you need to write one more thing. That is whether whatever the statement you wrote it, we know that is a store procedure, but our program also should understand that, right? So for that purpose, we are going to take this one command type. So I'm going to say here command type, okay, command type colon command type dot store procedure. So if you write like this, then they will understand that this is what you have taken. It is a store procedure. Even in our AD.NET also, we used to take same thing, right? Command type dot store procedure. So here also you need to take it. Okay. Now after this, after writing all this stuff, we are just going to execute our code and let's see whether we are getting the same output or not. So directly I'm going to our index.html page. So guys who is directly coming to this video, please see the part 1 video and come so that you can understand what we are doing here. Okay. So let's see what is going to happen. Now when I execute this, let's see that we are getting the data or not. It's taking too much time, but okay, fine. We can wait for a while, right? Okay, until it come for us, we can go for. I think it's now it's came. Yeah, this is see, it's coming for us. So it's mean that we got the data here. We just wrote only one line of code. That's it. We didn't do anything. We just wrote the store procedure here and then command type dot command dot store procedure. Okay. So in this way, I can able to retrieve the data. Now each and every company as of now, they are not using AD.NET. They are just using Dapper only, Dapper or Entity Framework, and mostly Entity Framework because it is more faster than your Entity Framework. That's right. Now the second thing which I want to do is I want to perform create operation. So I will go back to our another method. So public action result I will take it, and that I will go for create method. Okay. So in that create method, I will say return view page. That's what I'm going to do it. And in that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click. I'm going to do it. I'm going to add a view page. Okay. Now this is what I did it. I click on create and I'm going to add a view here. Okay. Now here, after this, I'm going to create one simple, one form tag, another form tag. I'm going to have like one label and another label. I'm going to say like emp, something like name, and another thing I can take it as input. One text box will try to create it. Okay. So this is what I'm going to take text, and here I'm going to say emp name. Now I need to do like only one thing. I need to do copy paste. Just copy here and paste here. Next we'll have like one input. Then again that is submit button, and then we'll have like value as save. Okay, and we don't require name other stuff. Let's keep simple and easy. Okay, so we can delete this. Now I can even give like some bootstrap classes. So btn, btn. Okay, that will be success. Okay, let's have one big button I want to add it. So btn, btn success. So here also I can take class. Okay, that's form control. I will take it. Okay, so that's it. Copy the things and here you paste it like this. Okay, now in the form tag you're going to say method post, and on action place means when you click on the submit button you want to navigate to some place, right? So till slash your controller name is what, employee, slash you're going to say like create method. So what you're saying that when you click on submit button, it should go to the employee controller and it should go to the create method and take all these values like emp name and emp salary. So as we know that with the help of name property only, it is going to catch a value for us, right? So here also we will change emp name to emp salary. Okay. So whatever we are writing in the text box, so the salary and the name, all of them is going to be catched in the create method. The method should be a post type. So as of now, the method we have it create method, but it is a get type. So we need to create one more method similar to this, but that particular method need to be post type. So we'll have like public action result class, and we'll have a create method, and we'll go for return view, and here we'll catch our value. So here we are going to say like employee model emp, which you can take it. Okay, and here I will say like http post. Okay, that's what I'm going to take it. Now after taking http post, I'm going to catch the values here, and then I'm going to call one method there. So let's say like int some I am going to take it, and I'm going to say like db dot save employee method. I'm going to create it. As of now, there is no method save employee, but I will create it this. Okay, so just copy this save employee method and go to the employee context. Okay, public integer the save employee method, and the save employee method will have employee model emp here. Okay, now if you see this is simple save employee method we have created, right? So here we want like to perform like save operations, right? Now if you see this in our controller, now we need to pass this catch value. So just take emp here, okay, and pass the value. So if you get 1, if I value you get 1 greater than 0, then you can just check the value by saying return redirect to action, that is index. Okay, like that you need to tell it. So it will go to the index method, and then we can see like index method means again it will go back to this method, and we'll see like updated all the values there. Okay, whatever we're inserting it. So now let's go back to our uh, context class. In the context class, we have save employee, right? So here I will write here some var param equal to new dynamic parameter. I will take it. Okay. So this is how you're going to create a parameter. So here, what we need to do is we need to take like int some result we will take it, and here we'll take like con. In that con, we are going to take execute method. In this execute method, the first parameter which we are going to pass it, our store position name. If you observe here, the first parameter what is asking us string SQL. So you need to pass the store position name here. So I have so many store procedures here. I don't need to create it. I can take any one of it from here. Okay. So you can see this. I'm having like this sp underscore create employee, right? I can take this, just copy this, and just paste it here. Okay. Now next thing you're going to take like comma, and you're going to pass param here. Okay. So param is the second you're going to pass it. Your parameters you're going to pass it. Okay. So if you want to give some other name here, you can give it. Okay. Your parameter you're going to pass it here. So for your stopes here, how many parameter you have it? Obviously, like you have like two parameter, right? So what are that parameter? You want to add it to your stopes here, parameter dot add. So for you, at the rate emp name, right? So this is your at the rate emp name. For this, you want to pass a value. So at the rate emp name, the value I'm going to pass for you is emp dot emp name. Here I'm going to get a value. Now here I'm going to copy once again this, and here I'm going to say emp salary, and then emp salary I'm going to take it. Okay. Now how I can pass here the parameter is I already passed here, right? That's the edit. Now last is what I'm passing sp underscore create employee is a store procedure, right? So I will say like command type dot store procedure. Okay, that's what we're going to do it. And at last, we are going to return result. That's what we're going to do it. Okay. We did this. All right. Now come back. And now let's see like whether it's performing like save operation or not. Give a breakpoint here. Okay. So let's run this. So we are waiting like to come like that create page for us. Now you can see this, we have like EMP name. So now I will say like some name as Rajesh. Okay. And salary, I'm going to take like something 9000 something. and I'm going to click on save. Now it's came here to the post method. So we are able to catch the values, both the values like name and salary. So we are passing to the save employee method that value. And here we are getting like dynamic parameters that the values we are passing to it. And then we are getting like result as a one. See, after passing that one, again we come here, one is greater than zero, then we will redirect to the index page. So if I select continue, you can see this Rajesh value will be displayed for us. Now come down here, see, Rajesh, we got it with this, right? So this is how like our insert operation, we are able to do it, okay? Now, again, what I want to do is I want to perform like edit and delete operation. So I don't want to make this video like a bigger here. So for that purpose, in Dapper part 3, I will explain you edit operation and delete operation. Okay. Thank you guys. Please subscribe this channel so that you can learn more and more things here. Okay. Thank you.